Installing electrical wiring in a house is a task with many inherent risks. Doing this task is a high possibility of electric shock, and when not controlled, it may cause fire. Standard precautionary measures must be executed to ensure safety. So, with this electrical model, I will demonstrate to you on how to install electrical wirings and how to troubleshoot some common problems. So, step 1 is get to know the materials needed. So, for example, this is the receptacle, the junction box, the outlets, the switch, and the tools that we needed for it, just like this. And also, turn off the circuit breaker to ensure safety. Install the materials depending for its purpose. For example, this receptacle, I will install this in this surface, just like this. Make sure that the grip of the screw, wood screw, is tight. I will use this to lock the wire straight and hammer it. Into the edge of the wire, put it in the junction box. After installing this receptacle, next is the switch, so that you can control the light whether it's on or off. After installing the switch, the next step is to connect the wire. It's like this. The black one is connected to the black one, and it's like this. And then the white one is connected to the white wire. And after this, you need to so after this, you try to fix the error and energize it. Then lastly, after installing the all materials needed, let's try to energize it. So then I'll turn on circuit breaker. Then I'll try the switch, just turn on, turn off, guys. Then the outlet. So the demonstration is finished. Thank you for watching.